NCDC should stop defrauding this country.
Now, Ogbonge Pidgin News Network now carry on giving her for this o'clock, and this one concern Kogi State. The Commissioner for Information and Communication for inside Kogi State, wey be Mr. Kingsley Fanwo, don come out to come the paraya and the verse yesterday for inside Channels Television for politics today. Make NCDC stop to the chop Nigeria money with this coronavirus matter. This matter shele after when NCDC come out to say they see one coronavirus case for inside Kogi State. Like una know say Kogi State na one of the two states wey never get coronavirus. Since where this matter shele,
NCDC should stop defrauding this country. I am not one of those who think NCDC is helping this country. I am one of those who think NCDC has an agenda to spread Covid-19 to all the states of the Federation. And when there was no case in Kogi State, they did all they could to ensure that Kogi has a case. They are locking down the country. They are advising the presidency to lock down the country. The economy is suffering. The economy is bleeding. People are hungry. Other elements are killing Nigerians while they are concentrating on a pandemic that has killed less people than malaria has killed in the last 2 months.
He can continue come the year say he not follow for the people where they see say NCDC they help Obodo Nigeria. Say because NCDC they play us wayo 419. Now he make them one force all the states they get coronavirus. Now he make us not agree because we not get coronavirus for inside Kogi State. NCDC just they carry this coronavirus matter we make Mr. President they lock the whole country. Work and business not come there again. Even Nigeria economy don't they suffer. Say he get other sickness like malaria where they hospitalize people pass coronavirus for inside this country. But then CDC just carry this coronavirus matter like saying that the only sickness where they keep people for inside Nigeria.
There's something they need to tell Nigerians about it. So as a state, we don't trust in the credibility of NCDC.
Say he not trust NCDC at all. This na man about town reporting for Pidgin News Network.